Welcome to IT Handy Guide tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to install WordPress old version. So I'm going to install WordPress version 5.9.4 to Wait Demo 02 folder and Wait Demo 03 folder. So you have to Google download WordPress old version. So after you Google download WordPress old version, the first result you open that, then you can see all the version of WordPress. So in this case, I'm going to download 5.9.4, so I'm going to click zip. Then after you download the zip file, try to open that zip file, this one. Okay, so this is the zip file that I've just downloaded. Okay, before you do anything, you have to create a database first. So I'm going to create a database Wait Demo 02 and Wait Demo 03. In this case, I'm going to phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to type localhost. In previous video, I changed my port to 48, and then I'm going to type phpMyAdmin. Then I have to log in. Okay, so I'm going to create two databases. So I'm going to click New. Over here, my first database is called Wait Demo 02. And my second database is called Wait Demo 03. So now I have just created two databases. First, this one is Wait Demo 02, Wait Demo 03. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to document root. So I need to go to C drive, Apache, and HT document. Over here, I need to copy 5.9.4 to here. Right click, use 7-zip to unzip. Then I'm going to change the folder name to Wait Demo 02. In this case, get inside here, change the name, Ctrl X, Ctrl V, and delete this. So this is my Wait Demo 02, and this one contains all the WordPress file. So now I'm going to unzip again. Okay, so this time I'm going to change the folder name to Wait Demo 03. Ctrl X to cut and paste to here and delete this one. So now I have a WordPress Wait Demo 03. So this two is WordPress 5.9.4, so I can delete this one. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install WordPress. I just copy the WordPress file to document root. So now I'm going to install. How can I install? I need to go to, I go back to the home page. I need to copy this localhost and then go to the folder name. The folder name is called WordPress 02. So this is the WordPress 02. And the next one is WordPress 03. So now I'm going to install WordPress 02 and WordPress 03. Actually, it's a Wait Demo 02 and Wait Demo 03. Okay, in the first step, you have to select your language. And you can select English Australia, but I'm going to select English United States because that is the default language. So I'm going to select English Australia and click Continue. And in the Wait Demo 03, I'm going to select English United States and select Continue. Okay, come back to the Wait Demo 02. I'm going to pin this one and come back to Wait Demo 2. In the Wait Demo 2, just click Let's Go. And the Wait Demo 3, click Let's Go as well. Okay, over here, come back to the Wait Demo 2. I need to give a database name for Wait Demo 2. In this case, I'm going to give a Wait Demo 02 database. Over here, this is Wait Demo 03. I want to give the Wait Demo 03 database. Okay, the username. In here, you actually should go to New User Account, and you should create a new username. It's called like this. This is test user 2, test user. Okay, you should create a new username, like add new account, and you can type wait demo 02 like this in the 03. So you should create 2 accounts. One is 02, the other one is 03. And then once you create, then you can give a permission if you like. Also, you can the thing is, there's only one. You have to create a new username that can only control the wait demo 02, and you can create another user that can only control wait demo 03. And if you go to here, and if you go to, I'm pretty sure there's a somewhere that I can set up the user. I can't remember right now. Okay, but the thing is, you should create like 2 users, and one is one is for wait demo 02, the other is for wait demo 03. This is for better security. And I know a lot of YouTube video, they actually use root, and you shouldn't do that because that is so dangerous. If the hacker know your password, know your root password, they can log into all of your WordPress website, and that is so terrible. Okay, but this is just for my for my tutorial. Okay, I'm going to use root, but you shouldn't use root. This is just for my own convenience. Okay, so I'm going to use root for my username and password. Okay, oh wait, this is root. Okay, so my username and password to database is root. Okay, same as wait demo 03. And because my SQL server is currently in my local machine, so database host should be localhost. Same as wait demo 03, the database host should be localhost. And all the table will start with WP underscore. Same as wait demo 03, all the table will start with WP underscore. Okay, come back to wait demo 02. I'm going to click submit. And go to wait demo 03. I'm going to click submit. Come back to wait demo 02. Run the installation. Come back to the wait demo 03. Run the installation. Come back to wait demo 02. So I'm going to give a name of website. Okay, I'm going to give a name of website. In this case, you can type whatever name you want to. But in my case, I'm going to type wait demo 02. If you want to change the other name, you should give like a I make example, nice couple like this, or your store name. You can type your store name if you like. But the thing is, when you make the name, try not to use the space, because if you use space, then your URL, I mean your domain name in the future will become like this. It will become like something like this. Okay, and this is not very good. So I would suggest you just use these kind of things. Nice port like this without any space. Okay, and in my case, I'm going to use wait demo 02, and this one I'm going to set up the site title to wait demo 03. Okay, the username for WordPress admin. I know a lot of people will use this one as a username and this one as a password, and don't do that. And some people will do, oh, then I can do this, and don't do that as well. Okay, don't use admin and don't use admin 123. Okay, and some of the people will like 12345 QWERT. Don't use this kind of password. Okay, don't use this kind of password or username. Don't do that. You can do whatever username and whatever password you like. But for this tutorial, only for this tutorial, just for my own convenience, I'm going to use this username and password. Okay, but the truth is, in a real situation, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't give your WordPress name as admin. Okay, you should give other name like admin dinosaur, admin strong person, something like that. Okay, and this is your email. Okay, the email is very important. If you forgot your password, in this case, they will send the email for you to reset your password. So you need to give a real email. However, I just registered a new email. It's called Junk to Me now. This is just to receive all kind of junk mail. So I'm going to copy this one to here. So if I want to receive the password reset email, they will send the email to this one. Okay. So this one, discourage search engine from indexing this page, this site. If you tick this one, that means Google cannot search your website. If you don't tick that one, that means Google can search your website. Of course, we don't want to tick this one, because the reason why we want to create a website, because we try to make our store famous in the future. So I like people can just Google my website and can crack my website. Okay, so this is the default setting is don't tick that one, same as Web Demo 03. So now come back to Web Demo 02, click install WordPress. It will take a while, and come back to the Web Demo 03, install WordPress. Okay, come back to Web Demo 02. Now it's success, log in. Come back to Web Demo 03. Now it's success, log in. Come back to Web Demo 02. So now I have to log in. So this is my username. And come back to Web Demo 03. This is my username. And this is my password. So come back to Web Demo 02. This is my password. Remember me, login. And come back to the Web Demo 03. And this is the password. Remember me, login. Come back to Web Demo 02. Okay. So this is Web Demo 02. You can click here to know your version. Same as Web Demo 03. Okay, this is Web Demo 02. I'm going to click this one to check my version. And this same as Web Demo 03. I'm going to click update to check my version. It takes a while to go to this page. Look at this. This is Web Demo 02. The current version is 5.9.4. And this is Web Demo 03. The current version is 5.9.4. And come back to Web Demo 02. Update to version 6.0.2. This is the latest version. Okay, so this if you want to update WordPress automatically, then you can click this button. Okay, this is the button which will let you update WordPress automatically. And before you update your WordPress version, you should go to the plugin, and you have to ensure all of your plugin is deactivated. At the moment, all of my login is deactivated. So come back to update. And same as Web Demo 03, if you go to plugin, you have to confirm all of your plugin is activated. By default, all the plugin is activated. So I come back to the update as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, if I try to copy, this is Web Demo 02, and if I try to copy this address, it will go to the WordPress website. It will go to the WordPress website. This is how other people look at your website. Same as WordPress 03. If I copy this URL, paste to here, this is how other people look at my website. Okay, come back to here. If I copy this URL, wp-admin, they will go to Web Demo 02 admin. Okay, so this is, I can close this one. So this is admin page, and this is the real page. Okay, same as this one. This is Web Demo 03 admin page, and this is your real page. This is what other people look at your page. So let me pin all the website. Try to make it easier for the next tutorial. Cool. So what I have done is I have just update the WordPress. Sorry, I have just installed the old version of WordPress. Okay. So if you go to PHP MyAdmin, you can double check your Web Demo 02. you can see you have so many tables, like 12 tables, and let's start with WP underscore. Okay, same as Word Demo 3. All the tables start with WP underscore. Alright, that's everything for the WordPress. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Have a good day.